Welcome back to the TT-02T sand shaker build. Today we're going to be working on the lower arms front and back. That's step 13 and 14. Very straightforward. We got to two lower arms. These are the rear arms. And we're just going to make sure they're in the right direction. You want to make sure the Tamiya logo right there is pointing towards the chassis. Like that and like that. And then we're going to take this gray piece like this and put a screw through. But first we need to put some grease on the stems. There we go. I'm going to take one of those MA2 screws. I'm going to start it with my screwdriver and finishing off with my cordless. There we go. That's it for step 13. It does say that if you want to go for a shorter wheelbase, you can go ahead and flip these so the Tamiya logo is facing the front, and you would get a slightly shorter wheelbase. The next step is to install the rear bumper. That's real straightforward. All of this is 4 screws. I'm going to put that there. 2 of the flathead screws here and 2 of the long brown screws. They're kind of a darker color. So actually, let me go ahead and start with the flathead. Those will hold the piece in place. And then let me go ahead and just drive this long screw. Go. And let me hand tighten these. Final quarter turn. There we go. All right, let's work on the front. The front arms are going to have the Tamiya logo facing away from the chassis, so it's going to be like this. The same gray piece on top. So let's go ahead and grease that up. Oops. Squeezed out way too much. Okay, there we go. That's that. One screw. All the way through. Okay, now we're just going to press these suspension balls into the arms, and that is it. That is step 15, and we're done for this video. So we finished installing the lower arms for the front and rear, steps 13, 14, 15. In the next video, we're going to be working on the uprights, and uprights consist of holding onto the axle, bearings, and also putting in the out drives and actually installing the uprights. We're going to be working on steps 16, 17, 18, 19, all the way up to here. So we're going to take care of front and back. Hope you like this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Continue watching this build series. And I'll see you guys in the next one.